on, guys? This is a YouTube video. I have slime right here, and we are doing slime challenge with her. So yeah.
And Allison. He saw you.
So let's go. So I already put the slime in, but
Well, glue.
yeah, glue. Then now you want to put shaving cream. You don't want to put too much, but you want to put. My gosh. My gosh. There.
Yeah, and don't put too much or it get
Yeah.
fluffy.
Like too fluffy.
Yeah.
So now you want to mix.
Yep. It's gooey. I just want to touch it.
Well, once it's slime, you can
Yeah, I
touch
know.
it. Then you want to mix it. It's sweet. Yeah.
Is it?
You
I
gotta
can't
get
even
the
see
purple
the.
in.
I can't even see the purple.
Yeah, you have to mix it in.
Can't even see it.
You have to
Oh,
mix
you got
it.
shade.
Yeah.
Cream on there.
Then once you mix it, you want to add this contact solution.
Oh yeah.
Have you ever made slime before?
Yes. With my own cousin.
Oh yeah. Oh dang it. How do you open this?
Use some paper towels.
How is that gonna, what we need? Okay. So we pour this in.
Oh wait, can I do it?
You can mix it.
Yeah, okay.
Mix it hard.
Done.
No, slow.
I am good. And just, oh man, feels so gooey.
I can't wait to play with it once it's done.
I know.
It's like a violet. Yeah. Just use that paper. Use that.
Okay. Yeah. So fluffy. Let's show the little guys.
Okay. You can really see. Oopsie. It's like lavender color.
Yeah. Let's put some more glue in there.
Do you mean more shape? No, don't, please. I'm saving it. There. Guys, once this is done, it's gonna be so fluffy, I bet.
Yeah, looks fluffier
It's
than you.
really fluffy. Should we play with it now?
No. I think we need some more purple. I can't even see the purple.
No, it's good how it is.
It's so fluffy.
Here.
I just want to have a little bit.
No, wait. Can I play with it first?
Yeah,
and then
sure.
Once it gets... Don't pour.
It's not even open, you weirdo.
You're a weirdo.
No, I'm not.
Then why are you calling me a weirdo? If you're the more weirdo.
No, you're not. You beard.
Dude, I hate playing. Okay. Do you know how to open it? Can you open it and just... No, this, that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and can you open it and just pour a tiny bit? Pour... No, like more. Okay, good.
So
This-
that
I
is
can
so
tell the
slimy.
slime's gonna be good.
Yeah.
But you just have to really play with it. And
Ew, I hear it cracking.
yeah, that's good. When it like pops, that means it's pretty good. Dude, I can't. And I'm gonna make another YouTube video in Oklahoma when I go there.
Oklahoma?
Yes, I'm going there.
I'm going to Houston.
That takes like 5 hours to.
I know.
Wait,
Mine
on a
is
car
3.
ride or flight? Like
I'm
a plane-
going on a flight.
a plane flight.
Yeah, so that's like,
I hate. It's only like 2 hours.
I know. Usually it's 3 on driving.
No, 5. Sorry,
No.
guys, it's taking so long.
I know. It is. Should we cut this video and then...
No, I don't know. Okay, do a tiny bit more of that.
Okay.
Good.
Oh! I'm so sorry. Looks like you right in your face. Oh, I hear
It's getting actually pretty good.
Yeah.
It's.
I don't feel it.
No, don't.
Oh!
Yeah.
It
Here, do a tiny bit more of contact
Okay.
solution. Just like a tiny bit. Good. Ooh, I can tell this is gonna get good.
Oh, I hear it cracking.
It's getting good like that.
Yeah.
Wait,
You need tiny more?
do you think I need more?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That good?
More. Good.
Can't even see the purple.
Good.
Where's
Yeah,
the
it's like
purple?
it's. I don't think it's purple. I think it's white. Like I think it's like the lightest purple. Like since the shaving cream mixed with that. No, don't add any more.
Why?
No,
You
it's not
can
gonna.
barely see it.
So that doesn't help it.
Okay.
Wait. Oh, I thought Leah was there.
That would be terrible.
Why? Oh yeah, if he. It's like he eats the slime.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. This is so annoying. Do the tiniest bit now. Well,
Yeah.
no, you can add a tiny bit more. Good. Do you think the slime's gonna be good?
Looks fluffy,
Yeah.
but not purple.
Yeah. Guys, this feels so fluffy right now, but it's so sticky at the same time.
How do you feel it?
Sure.
Oh,
Fluffy.
it's I wish you could like feel this right now. Oh, there's your help right there.
Oh yeah. So.
I want to feel it so bad. Here's this.
Okay, don't do any. Okay, add a tiny bit more. Good. Ooh, it's getting good. I can just tell.
One more.
No. Wait. Yes. Good. Okay, I think that's the last bit, and then you play with it. Wait.
I want to feel it.
It's getting really good.
Well, add
It's
some.
getting less sticky. Why are you putting some in there?
I don't know. I just want it.
Okay, you can mix it with your hands.
Yeah, I can make it with my hands. Oh yeah, this is purple. Gotta wipe it off. Oh man. Gotta use this. Oh man.
Okay, add a tiny bit more contact.
No. Yeah, dig it.
Go to the sink and wash it.
Yeah.
No, that's not the sink.
I didn't go through that.
Go through. What are you doing? Go through there.